Ever wondered how some YouTubers manage to earn a mansion-worthy income? Well, prepare for a shocker. They use advanced video production techniques you too can learn. In today's video, we're unveiling the secrets of YouTube's top earners. We're diving straight into the world of advanced video production techniques, which could flip the revenue of your YouTube channel upside down. From crafting the perfect story to engaging visuals that leave your audience mesmerized, we have it all under wraps. But wait, there's more! Stick around till the end of the video as we reveal an exclusive insider tip that most successful YouTubers would want to keep secret. How these production techniques directly influence the YouTube algorithm in your favor. Don't miss out on this extraordinary knowledge capable of boosting your reach and revenue. Concept creation pre-production is a crucial phase in the creative process of virtually any artistic work, including film, television programming, animation, video games, and even graphic novels. Concept creation is a key part of the pre-production stage, where the initial ideas and themes of the project are developed. Concept creation is the birthplace of the narrative, characters, settings, mood, and tone of the project. It's where the initial ideas are brainstormed, thought through thoroughly, and finally presented as a succinct concept that everyone working on the project can understand and contribute to. Idea generation. Concept creation begins with brainstorming and idea generation. This is a freewheeling period where no idea is too big, too small, or too outrageous. It's important to encourage as many different ideas as possible, as this can lead to innovative and unique concepts. Refining ideas. After initial ideas have been generated, it's time to refine and narrow down these ideas to a select few that seem most promising. Decisions are often based on factors such as intended audience, available resources, and overall project goals. Concept development. The chosen ideas are then fleshed out and developed further. Characters are given personalities and backstories. The world is built with detailed settings and environments, and the narrative is fleshed out with plots, subplots, and story arcs. Concept presentation. The final concept is then presented in a summarized form, often in a concept document or a pitch. This should clearly communicate the key components of the concept, including main characters, setting, plot, and unique selling points. After the concept creation stage, the project moves on to other pre-production processes such as storyboard creation, script writing, and planning of production schedules and budgets. The goal of all these processes is to ensure that the project is thoroughly planned and organized before it moves into the production stage. In conclusion, concept creation is critical in the pre-production process as it forms the backbone of the entire project. A well-thought-out and engaging concept can captivate the intended audience and set the project on the path to success. Creating a unique and dynamic concept, however, requires creative thinking, a careful evaluation of ideas, and effective communication. Script writing pre-production is an extremely crucial phase in the filmmaking process. It encompasses several facets including planning, scheduling, financing, and most importantly, script writing.
Scriptwriting, often known as screenwriting, is a form of writing specifically for motion pictures or television programs. It is a foundational part of the pre-production process, acting as a blueprint upon which the entire film or television show is built. Every element such as the cast, crew, location, costumes, and props are essentially determined based on the script. Scriptwriting demands a unique balance of creativity and technical mastery. Creatively, the scriptwriter, also known as the screenwriter, needs to be able to captivate the viewer and drive the plot forward through compelling dialogue and well-developed characters. Technical facets include knowledge of the craft of script formatting, understanding the language of cinema, and adhering to industry standards. Good scripts are compelling, moving, and bring characters to life. They give room for effective performance and enhance a director's ability to compose a perfect scene. Narratives are built, characters are fleshed out, plots are woven, and tensions are escalated through well-drafted scripts. The screenwriter's responsibility does not end with simply penning down a fantastic narrative. They also collaborate closely with other departments during pre-production and production. For example, They work alongside the director to ensure the story's vision is rightly translated onto the screen, the casting department to make sure characters are portrayed by fitting performers, and with set designers to create suitable environments for the unfolding narrative. The process of scriptwriting is quite intensive. It typically starts with a basic idea which gradually evolves into a full-fledged script. This process includes development of story, characterization, dialogue creation, scene configuration, and finally, deciding the overall screenplay structure. In recent times, technological advancement has given rise to a variety of software tools that assist in formatting and structuring the script. However, whether done traditionally or with the help of contemporary tools, scriptwriting remains an artistic endeavor that requires imagination, patience, and a deep understanding of storytelling. It's a craft that remains central to the creation of memorable films and television shows. Storyboarding pre-production in film, animation, or any form of visual storytelling often involves a crucial step known as storyboarding. This stage is where the director visualizes the narrative's entirety before it goes into actual production. The storyboard serves as the visual blueprint of the project, significantly contributing to its overall direction and logistical planning. Storyboarding started in the Walt Disney Studios during the early 1930s to pre-visualize animation scenes. Since then, it has been a standard part of the film production process across the globe. Anyone involved in filmmaking, whether in animation, commercial ads, or even music videos, will find storyboards an indispensable tool. Creating storyboards involves illustrating the scenes from the script into a series of panels, like a comic strip, to depict the sequence of significant changes, movements, or actions in a scene. It communicates the desired action, guides the animation or film process, and can save countless hours and funds in the production process. Each panel of a storyboard represents a specific part or scene in the storytelling. They include sketches or illustrations of how a scene would look, including a description of the action, dialogue, or sound required in the scene.
Storyboarding offers several advantages in planning and developing a film or animation project. Visual clarity and conceptualization. Storyboarding helps translate the script into visual scenes and offers a clear picture of the director's vision. It helps the director and production team understand how the story evolves visually. Scene transitions. It defines how each scene will transition into the next one, allowing smooth visual storytelling. Team communication. It aids in communication among team members. Everyone can understand the film's storyline, the progression, and the cinematic shots required. Saves time and money. One of the significant benefits of creating a storyboard is that it gives an idea of how feasible a scene is. By analyzing it, the director can make changes or adjustments before filming, saving both time and resources. Creating a storyboard requires the skills of a scriptwriter, as they need to interpret the storyline effectively. It also needs the skills of an artist to draw up the scenes. Lastly, the ability to imagine the story from an audience's eye is crucial. Storyboarding in pre-production is valuable as it visualizes the plan, identifies potential issues before they occur, and helps keep production phases on track. It serves as the link between the initial script and the final production, ensuring a smooth creative process. Casting is an incredibly crucial part of pre-production in the filmmaking process. The casting process involves selecting actors to play each role in a film, television series, or play. This process typically commences as soon as the script is finished. The roles are announced and publicized, and auditions take place. The right casting could elevate the script and contribute heavily towards the success of the project. The process typically involves casting directors, who are experts in sourcing out talent and managing auditions. Sometimes, it even requires the use of casting agencies that maintain databases of actors searching for roles. Casting directors will work closely with the project's director and producers to understand the characters and what type of actors they envision in those roles. Depending on the role and project, known actors might be directly approached for parts, or open auditions could be held where anyone can come and audition. Often enough, casting includes callbacks, where a select few actors are called back for additional auditions. It's generally a sign that the casting team is interested but needs to see more before taking the final call. Many casting decisions are made during this callback phase. Many factors are considered while casting an actor for a role. Their acting skills are paramount, of course, but other aspects like their suitability for the role, their physical attributes, their schedule availability, their reputation and professionalism factor into the decision as well. Budgetary constraints can also play a significant role in the casting process. Overall, casting is a meticulous process that demands a keen understanding of not just the actor's abilities, but also their potential chemistry with one another and the dynamics they will bring to the screen. The importance of casting is indisputable as it can greatly enhance the final quality of the film or television show, contributing to its eventual success or failure. Location scouting. Pre-production is a critical phase in film production that involves various activities such as scriptwriting, casting, costume designing, scheduling, and most importantly, location scouting. Location scouting is an integral part of the pre-production process, as it sets the tone for various aspects of the film, including the storyline, lighting, cinematography, and even the post-production, to a significant extent.